the home screen of the drama application, and you have a lot of drama series which you can watch on this application here. Since here are a lot of them. You have the short section here which you can scroll. I'm not sure if you guys seen it because usually these applications blur on this section, but for this section here, you'll be able to scroll and see other short clippings of drama series or the drama movies. Here in the My List section here, pretty much will see all the drama movies that you have watched. You can add them in, add to your favorite list as well. And you do have the reminder that you have added or the drama series that haven't been released yet, can pretty much add it to your favorite section. So in the profile option here, this is pretty much where you do go and get your subscription. So to get episodes for this application here, you have to unlock using coins, and as well you have to pretty much get a subscription to unlock our series. But some of these episodes are for free, and as you can see, once you do sign in with whether Facebook, using Facebook sign in or Google account, you'll be able to get free coins. And as well, you do get free coins. You can tap on the option at the top here, and they do give you free coins for just using the application. The VIP coin section here, but you pretty much have to get the subscription to be able to redeem VIP coins as well. So do keep that in mind. And let's say you want to watch any one of these drama series, all you have to do is tap on the one that you want to watch. And I'm not sure if you guys seen it, as I said before, it may blur this section, but once you have selected the drama series that you want to watch, you just tap on the option here, and it will pretty much load up all the series as it relates to this. Here you'll be able to watch up to 9 series, and the rest of them you pretty much have to purchase these episodes. So if I do tap on, let's say 10 here, it will pretty much say how much for the episode. This episode here costs 30 coins, and I'll be able to purchase this episode using bonus coins or just regular coins. So here it will pretty much show you that you can purchase coins if you don't have any, and as well you can get subscription as it relates to unlocking all the series and everything for this application for you to watch without purchasing episodes. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And as well, you can as well watch ads to unlock the episodes, but you have to watch up to 5 ads to unlock the episodes. So do keep that in mind. So that is another option which you can use as well. If you don't have any coins, you can watch up to 5 episodes to pretty much 5 ads to unlock 1 episode. So do keep that in mind as well. So that's pretty much it for that there, as you can see here. So yeah, and do go in your profile section here. You can tap on the top option. If you don't see the coin section where you can purchase coin, you can tap on the top option here, and you'll be able to see this section where you can go to purchase your coins as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. And at the top here, this is pretty much where you go to get your subscription as well. Although you can go in the top up section as well, and you can go in the reward section to get free coins. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very easy to use. And if I missed anything at all in this tutorial, please comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.